What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. We resell bikes and ship them all over the place. We sell bikes all over the place. We have a 2001, I can't believe it's 2001 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail. It's a really clean looking bike. I love the Heritage Softail. And this is really a bike right after my own heart because it has no front windshield. Maybe we have it. I don't know. I don't think we do though. Beautiful looking bike. Check out the walk around video. This is a test drive video. We're gonna show them how to do it up. How many miles are on this beast? 40,000 miles. Nothing. That is literally not a thing for a Harley Davidson. This is an 01, which makes it the 88 cubic inch motor. This is the same motor that I have in my Road King. My Road King, wow, that transmission's nice and easy, nice and smooth. My Road King has 117,000 miles on it. This thing has 40. It's a baby. Transmission feels great. I love the way these bars, these are probably factory bars. I love the way they feel. These turn down like buckhorn. It's very easy on your wrists, because it's how your wrists actually normally sit, you know what I mean? Nice and smooth. I think these bikes are really good looking. I've actually been kind of thinking, wow, that brake is really nice. That brake is tight. This guy knew what he was doing when he had this brake system bled. I mean, this is a great bike. A lot of times you grab an old Harley brake, and I feel like this is what happens. So a lot of times the seal right here goes bad on these Harley Davidson. Not a big deal, and it starts to leak a little bit of fluid, and then you get some air in there, and then the front brakes get squishy. So what do a lot of Harley guys do? They just use the rear brake more often. And I think it's a bad idea. Just fix your front brake. So a lot of times I get on these Harleys and I'm pulling the brake right to my knuckles. And so some people, they use all fingers like this. They use their 4 fingers to brake. Me, I'm 2 fingers, man. 2 fingers or 1 finger. I'm 2 fingers. So I don't have, because my knuckles are in the way, I gotta have a real tight brake. And this feels great. Clutch feels good. I love the black. I love the chrome. Very comfortable bike. I'm 6'2". I feel very comfortable sitting on this bad motor. I would adjust the toe shifter. It looks like the guy used to ride this thing for steel toe boots. It's got the highway pegs. Good power. It's got great power for the 88. Nice and smooth. I'm impressed. You know, I feel like the Heritage owner is just like, I don't know, he's different than the other guys. He's different. I mean, this bike is sweet. I don't know how they're different. I really can't put in the words. Let me work on this for a couple weeks. But let's just say this, he's way better than the guy that owns the Sportsters. Those Sportster guys. Let's just all agree that generally guys that own Sportsters just don't care about nothing. Hey, it leaks oil. That's just marking the spot. I'm not gonna fix it because it still gets me around. What more can I say? This thing's sweet. Check it out. Rocking that heel toe. This one does not have cruise control. Despite what people think, it's not dual tanks. This is 1 tank. The fuel in here is also in here. You fill it up in one spot. You got your highway pegs. Ugh. Why are these highway pegs so hard to put? There we go. Ugh. There we go. Whew. Guys, on a nice hot day like this, the last thing you want is a windshield. The last thing you want to be is cooling down a windshield. Gotta make sure my windshield's nice and cooled down. Now, I want that air hitting me. Let's do this. The beautiful Harley Davidson sound. You know, I gotta get one of these bikes to put in my collection. I don't know, there's just something about the Heritage. They really are great bikes. I mean, I feel great on it. It fits me just as well as it, you know, I feel on an Ultra or a Road King. I know it's smaller, but I'm not even sure exactly how it's smaller. I love them. Super comfortable. Throw your girl on the back. All right, guys, that wraps it up. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget, this bike is for sale. These Heritage bikes do not last long in our dealership. I don't know why. Everyone loves them. I love them. You love them. They are the best. Don't forget, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes, and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. We're